Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is the lecture for the exercise of chapter number 17, set C. The chapter name is Theoretical Distributions. In this lecture, we will solve some questions of set C of chapter number 17. Okay, so let's start with this. Chapter number 17, set C. Answer the following questions. Each question carries 5 marks. Each question carries 5 marks. So, there is a less possibility of this type of questions asked in exams. Okay, but we have to prepare for this. Okay, because some question can be asked from these questions. Okay, so if they ask, then we can easily solve it. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. If it is known that the probability of a missile hitting a target is 1 by 8, if it is known that the probability of a missile hitting target is 1 by 8, what is the probability that out of 10 missiles fired, at least 2 will hit the target? Probability of missile hitting a target is given 1 by 8. What is the probability that out of 10 missiles fired, at least 2 will hit? Least 2. Okay. Maximum any number. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, first write the probability the probability of a missile hitting a target is denoted by P is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. So, you can easily find out Q from P. 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 by 8. 8 ones are 8 minus 1 upon 8 is equal to 7 by 8. 10 missile, total number 10 given, n is equal to 10. P 1 by 8, Q is equal to 7 by 8. So, probability of at least 2, that means P of x greater than or equal to 2. So probability of x greater than or equal to 2 is equal to, we can write as 1 minus p of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 minus, because here at least 2. Okay, so find out the probability of x is equal to 0 and probability of x is equal to 1. X is equal to 0, 10c0 p raised to 0 q raised to 10. P 10c0 it is 1, multiply with p raised to 0 that is 1 into q where q is equal to 7 by 8. Put into this 7 by 8 raised to 10. So using Kelsey, multiply 7 into 7 into 7 7 10 times upon 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 10 times. Okay, so after solving this we will get 0.2630. Now find out for probability of x is equal to 1. So we can write 10c1 p raised to 1 q raised to 9. N minus 1, so 9. Here the NCR p raised to r q raised to n minus r. This is the equation. Okay, so here put it the value 10 c1, it means 10 into probability 1 by 8 into, instead of q write 7 by 8 raised to 9. So 10 by 8 into 7 by 8 raised to 9. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 10. So 5 by 4 multiply with 7 by 8 raised to 9. Using Kelsey, we will get the answer 0.3758. So probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. 0.2630 plus 0.3758. So 0.2630, 0.3758, 8. It is 0.6388. Now probability of x greater than or equal to is 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. So it is 1 minus 0.6388. 0.638809. 0.3611. 0.3611. That is the answer. So option D is the right answer of question number 1. Okay. Do you understand it? First, we have write the probability of a missile hitting a target P is equal to 1 by 8. Then we have find out the Q, that is 1 minus P. 1 minus 1 upon 8 is equal to 8 minus 1 upon 8 is equal to 7 by 8. So Q is equal to 7 by 8. Total number 10 is given. At least 2 will hit the target. At least 2. So probability of x greater than or equal to 2. So before 2 only 0 and 1. Before 2, 0 and 1. So instead of writing direct probability of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3 plus probability of x is equal to 4 plus probability of x is equal to 5, etc. So the sum becomes very lengthy. Okay, and it takes more time. Okay, so the easiest way is probability of x greater than 2 is equal to 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1, which is unwanted. Okay, we don't want it. Probability of x is equal to 0 and probability of x is equal to 1, we don't want it. So probability of x is equal to 0. Here we are using the formula NCR p raised to r q raised to n minus r. Okay. So p of x is equal to 0 is equal to 10c0 p raised to 0 q raised to 10. 1 into 1 into 7 by 8 raised to 10. So the answer is 0.2630. Now find out for probability of x is equal to 1 using the same NCR p raised to r q raised to n minus r. 10c1 p raised to 1 q raised to 9. 10 into, instead of p write 1 by 8 into q, 7 by 8 raised to 9. 10 by 8 into 7 by 8 raised to 9. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 10. 5 by 4 into 7 by 8 raised to 9 is equal to 0.3758. Okay. Now probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. 0.2630 plus 0.3758 is equal to 0.6388. So probability of x greater than or equal to 2 is equal to 1 minus in the bracket probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. That is 1 minus 0.6388. 1 minus 0.6388 is equal to 0.3611. Now move to the next question, question number 2. X is a binomial variable such that 2 probability of x is equal to 2 is equal to probability of x is equal to 3 and mean of x is known to be 10 by 3. What would be the probability that x assume at most the value 2? Mean of x is equal to 10 by 3. So NP is equal to 10 by 3. That is formula 1. Here given 2 into P of x is equal to 2 is equal to P of x is equal to 3. 2 as it is. Here we can write NCR P raised to R Q raised to N minus R formula. 2 N here N is unknown. Okay. So N C2 P square Q raised to N minus 2 is equal to NC3 P cube Q raised to N minus 3. 2 into N minus 1 1 into 2 P square Q raised to N Q raised to minus 2 N into N minus 1 N minus 2 upon 3 into 2 into 1 into P cube into Q raised to N Q raised to minus 3. Q raised to N got N minus 1 got 2 got P square into Q raised to minus 2 is equal to N minus 2 upon 6. P cube into Q raised to minus 3. So here 2, 3, 1 P only. Q raised to minus 1. So we can write as N minus 2 P upon Q upon 6. So 6Q is equal to N minus 2 into P. Here Q is equal to 1 minus P. 6 into 1 minus P is equal to N minus 2 into P. 6 ones are 6 minus 6P is equal to NP minus 2P. NP is equal to 10 by 3. So 6 minus 6P plus 2P is equal to 10 by 3. So 6 minus 4p is equal to 10 by 3. So 6 minus 10 by 3 is equal to 4p. 3 6 are 18 minus 10 by 3 is equal to 4p. 18 minus 10, 8 by 3, 4p. So p is equal to 8 by 3 into 4. 4 2s are 8. P is equal to 2 by 3. P is equal to 2 by 3. Now we can find out the Q from this 1 minus P. 1 minus 2 by 3. 3 ones are 3 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. NP is equal to 10 by 3. And P is 2 by 3 is equal to 10 by 3. 3 3 cut. So N is equal to 10 by 2. 2 5s are 10 is equal to 5. So N is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. P is equal to 2 by 3. Q is equal to 1 by 3. Now take the probability of x less than or equal to 2. What would be the probability that x assume at most the value 2? Most the value 2. Okay. So most is 2. So probability of x less than or equal to 2 is equal to probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. So here we can write 5c0 p raised to 0 q raised to 5 plus 5c1 p raised to 1 q raised to 5 minus 1 plus 5c2 p square q raised to 5 minus 2. 5c0 p raised to 0 q raised to 5 plus 5c1 p q raised to 4. So here put the value q 1 by 3 raised to 5 plus 5 into 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 raised to 4 plus 5 into 4 2 into 1 into 2 by 3 square into 1 by 3 raised to 4 is equal to 1 upon 243 plus 10 by 3 into 1 upon 81 plus 10 into 4 by 9 into 1 upon 27. One upon 243 plus 10 upon 243 plus 40 upon 243 is equal to 1 plus 10 plus 40 upon 243. 51 divided by 243 is equal to 17 threes are 3 17s are 3 17s are 381s are. So 17 by 81, option B is the right answer of question number 2. 17 by 81. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Assuming that 1/3 of the population is tea drinkers, and each of 1000 enumerators takes a sample of 8 individuals to find out whether they are tea drinkers or not, how many enumerators are expected to report that 5 or more people are tea drinkers? Here P is equal to 1 by 3. So Q is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. 3 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. N is equal to 8. Probability of x greater than or equal to 5. Here, how many enumerators are expected to report that 5 or more people are tea drinkers? So, is equal to P of x is equal to 5 plus P of x is equal to 6 plus P of x is equal to 7 plus probability of x is equal to 8. So, 8C5 P raised to 5 Q raised to 8 minus 5 plus 8C6 P raised to 6 Q raised to 8 minus 6 plus 8C7 P raised to 7 Q raised to 8 minus 7 plus 8C8 P raised to 8 Q raised to 0. Is equal to 8C5 P raised to 5 Q cube plus 8C6 P raised to 6 Q square plus 8C7 P raised to 7 Q raised to 1. plus 8c8 p raised to 8 q raised to 0. Now put the values into p q is equal to 4 8c5 and 8c3 8 into 7 into 6 upon 3 into 2 into 1 3 2s are 6 cancel 8 7s are 56. So directly we can put into these questions. 8c6 is equal to 8c2 is equal to 8 into 7 upon 2 into 1 2 4s are 4 7s are 28. So put into this 56 1 by 3 raised to 5 2 by 3 cube plus 28 1 by 3 raised to 6 2 by 3 square plus 8 1 by 3 raised to 7 2 by 3 raised to 1 plus 1 by 3 raised to 8 2 by 3 raised to 0 is equal to 448 upon 6561 plus 112 6561 plus 16 upon 6561 plus 1 upon 6561. So 448 plus 112 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 577 divided by 6/6 is equal to 0.08794. So that is 0.08794 multiply with 1000 is equal to 87.94 is equal to approximately 88. So here the right answer is 88. So option C is the right answer of question number 3, 88. Okay. Now move to the next question, question number 4. If random variable x follows binomial distribution with mean as 5 and satisfying the condition 10, p of x is equal to 0 is equal to p of x is equal to 1. What is the value of probability of x greater than or equal to 1 divided by x greater than 0? Here mean is equal to NP is equal to 5. Ten p x is equal to 0 is equal to p of x is equal to 1. So 10 NC 10 sorry p of x is equal to 0, so NC 0. NC 0, p raised to 0, q raised to n minus 0. NC 1, p raised to 1, q raised to n minus 1. 10 1 into 1 into q raised to n. NC1 it means n b q raised to n q raised to minus 1 q raised to n q raised to n cut. So 10 ones are 10 is equal to np upon q. Ten is equal to np is equal to 5q. So q is equal to 5 by 10. 5 2s are 10 is equal to 1 by 2. Q is equal to 1 by 2. So p is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to is equal to 1 by 2. So here p is equal to q is equal to 1 by 2. Np is equal to 5. So n into 1 by 2 is equal to 5. So n is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Prove of x greater than or equal to 1. Using probe of A given B is equal to probe of A intersect B upon probe of B. So probe of x greater than or equal to 1 prob of x greater than or equal to 1 upon x greater than 0 is equal to probability of x greater than or equal to 1 intersect x greater than 0 upon probability of x greater than 0. So probability of x greater than or equal to 1 upon probability of x greater than or equal to 1 cancel is equal to 1. Now change the value n is equal to 10, p is equal to 1 by 2 and q is equal to 1 by 2. So probability of x greater than 1 divided by x greater than 0 is equal to probability of x greater than 1 upon x greater than 0 is equal to probability of x greater than 1 intersect x greater than 0 is equal to prob of x greater than 0 is equal to probability of x greater than 1 upon probability of x greater than 0. So probability of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3 plus probability of x is equal to 10 upon probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 10. So here write 1 minus in the bracket probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. Probability of x is equal to 0 is equal to 10 C0 p raised to 0 q raised to 10. 1 into 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 10 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 10 is equal to 1 upon 1 0 2 4. Now probability of x is equal to 1 is equal to 10 C1 p raised to 1 q raised to n minus r 10 minus 1 it is 9. So 10 into p it is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to 9 is equal to 10 by 2 raised to 10. So 10 by 1 0 2 4. Now put value put into the equation. Now probability of x greater than 1 x greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 upon 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. Put the value into this. Okay. So 1 minus 1 upon 1 0 2 4 plus 10 upon 1 0 2 4 upon 1 minus 1 upon 1 0 2 4 is equal to 1 minus 10 plus 1 11 by 1 0 2 4 upon 1 minus 1 upon 1 0 2 4 is equal to 1024 minus 11 by 1024 1024 minus 1 upon 1024. So 1013 upon 1023 is equal to 0.9892, approximately 0.99. Okay, so check with the options. Option C is the right answer of question number 4. Okay, so here first again I will repeat the whole question. If a random variable x follows binomial distribution with mean as 5, so mean is given, mean is equal to np, mean is equal to np, and satisfying the condition tan p of x is equal to 0 is equal to p of x is equal to 1. What is the value of probability x greater than or equal to 1 divided by x greater than 0? Tan probability of x is equal to 0 is equal to probability of x is equal to 1. So here tan nc0 p raised to 0 q raised to n minus 0 is equal to nc1 p raised to 1 q raised to n minus 1. So 10 into nc0 1 into p raised to 0 1 into q raised to n is equal to n into p into q raised to n upon q or into q raised to minus 1. So 10 is equal to np by q. Now np is equal to 5. np is equal to 5. So 10 is equal to 5 upon q. Now we can find out the q easily. So q is equal to 5 by 10. So it is 5 to the 10, 1 by 2. From the q we can find out the p easily. So p is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, or here you can write p is equal to 1 minus q. So p is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So p is equal to q is equal to 1 by 2. np is equal to 5. Put the value of p into this formula. np is equal to 5. So n 1 by 2 is equal to 5. 2 5 are n is equal to 5 into 2. So n is equal to 10. Now probability of x greater than or equal to 1. There is a formula, probability of A given B is equal to probability of A intersect B upon probability of B. So here probability of x greater than or equal to 1 upon x greater than 0 is equal to probability of x greater than 1 intersect x greater than 0 divided by probability of x greater than 0. So that is probability of x greater than or equal to 1 divided by probability of x greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 1. New value n is equal to 10, p is equal to 1 by 2, q is equal to 1 by 2. Here probability of x greater than 1 divided by x greater than 0 is equal to probability of x greater than 1 intersect x greater than 0 upon probability of x greater than 0. So probability of x greater than or equal to 1 divided by probability of x greater than 0. So probability of not equal to 1, sorry, here only x greater than 1. Okay. So probability of x is equal to 2 plus probability of x is equal to 3 up to probability of x is equal to 10 divided by probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2 up to plus probability of x is equal to 10. So 1 minus in the bracket probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. So p of x is equal to 0 is 10 c 0, p raised to 0, q raised to 10. 1 1 into 1 by 2 raised to 10, 1 upon 2 raised to 10 is equal to 1 upon 1 0 2 4. P of x is equal to 1 is equal to 10 c 1 p raised to 1 q raised to 9. So 10 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 raised to 9 is equal to 10 upon 2 raised to 10. So 10 upon 1 0 2 4. Here probability of x greater than or equal to 1 upon x greater than 0 is equal to 1 minus in the bracket probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. In the denominator 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. 1 minus in the bracket 1 upon 1 0 2 4 plus 10 upon 1 0 2 4 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 1 0 2 4. So 1 minus 11 by 1 0 2 4 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 1 0 2 4 is equal to 1 0 2 4 minus 11 by 1 0 2 4 divided by 1 0 2 4 minus 1 upon 1 0 2 4. 1 0 2 4 cancel. So 1 0 1 3 upon 1 0 2 3 is equal to 0 0.9892 is equal to 0 0.99. So this is the right answer of question number 4. Okay. So 0 0.99 option C is the right answer of question number 4. So this lecture is over here. So see you soon. Bye bye.